details po nung sinasabi nag-surrender na, sir, yung anim pang hinahanap na PDEG officers.
Okay po, Madam. It was November 27. That was last Thursday. I purposely went to Police Regional Office 4A. Around 6:25 a.m., kausap ko na yung tropa. I had my talk with the men, and as I've said during our first press con, meron tayong surrender feelers. Now, I know fully well na may mga classmates sila ron, may mga colleagues. So I sent out a loud and clear message that they should not prolong their agony at surrender na sila. So right after spending at least 2.5 hours dun sa office ng SOU 4A, after installing the new commander, I proceeded to report to my classmate, kay General Lucas, and we also had discussions. At around 1:30 p.m. of said date, isa-isa na pong nag-surrender yung mga anim na at large. And by 5:40 p.m. of the same day, kompleto na po sila. They were all delivered at my office sa PDEG headquarters together with their family members and assisted by their legal counsel. So basically, accounted na po lahat nung at large.
Na-filean na po sila ng case, sir?
Opo, actually, sabay po silang na-filean dun sa unang 8 na nahuli. And as a matter of protocol and directive, officially, na-relieve na po sila sa PNP-DEG. Kung susundin po natin yung guidelines ng restrictive custody, they have to be relieved, reassigned to the headquarters support service, and eventually, nakadetain po sila sa detention facility ng HSS sa ngayon. So, wala na po sa PDEG yung cargo ng pagbabantay sa kanila. Na-turn over na po sila properly sa HSS.
Sir, pakiulit po yung case na final at napalitan na po ba yung PDEG personnel doon sa Calabarzon area?
Yung cases po na pinayan lang Pro 4A, of course, yung rape case, yung robbery and ban, then all others that follow, incidental na lang yun. Hindi po natin alam kung may civil liability pa na kaakibat yung criminal case. And of course, they're also facing yung administrative case which has already been taken cognizance of by our NAPOLCOM. Originally, during the first press con, sabi ko po, DIDM ang mag-handle, but now, NAPOLCOM na po ang nakatutok. And ano pa ba? Yun nga po, nakafile na yung case. Antayin na lang po natin yung magiging takbo ng kaso. But basically, all of them have been already accounted. Andito na po sila and cases have already been filed.